Hello everyone. I'm being lazy. As you can see, I'm laying in bed videotaping. But anyway, just wanted to come by, say hello, and let you guys know that I have officially passed my National Board Dental Examination Part 2 and now have my certification for national boards. So yay, me! I recently found out on February 21st, which was this past Saturday, and I know some of you probably like, well, didn't you say you took the boards in October? And to answer your question, yes, I did take it in October, and I failed it in October. I needed a 75 to pass, and I got a 74. So yeah, how about those apples? Very upsetting, but definitely a trial of faith. And at first, I kind of was upset and didn't want to do my part and thought the world was over, but I dusted myself off, got on my feet, and studied. I took a little break for the month of November, but then I studied um, starting in December and the month of January, and then I took the exam February 4th and 5th, and then found out this past weekend that I passed. So I'm just so thankful to God that that is over, and not only did I pass it, but now my faith is restored and renewed, and I know that I'm more than a conqueror, and all is well. So now here I am, just roughly a week from taking my life patient credits examination. Those of you that don't know, I passed that mannequin portion back in October, actually the week before I took the National Board Dental Examination. So I passed the mannequin exam back then, and then I just passed boards recently. So I'm done with Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 of the credits Central Regional Dental Testing Service examination for licensure. And now I just have Part 4 and Part 5, which is life patient for restorative and perio. So that's next week. I'm not really concerned about it. It's just a matter of showcasing my skills and being able to place a regular Class 2 filling, which is a interproximal filling for a back tooth, and then Class 3, which is an interproximal filling for a front tooth, and then perio. So I'm not worried. I know that God's got me covered in that, and I've had adequate training, so I should be okay. The main concern is just making sure patients show up and that all the paperwork is done. But I'm pretty confident it'll be okay. And if not, it's not like I haven't been through that or anything worse before, so I'll just pick up the broken pieces kind of thing. But I believe God that it'll be okay. So yeah, that's my news. That is basically it. In the meantime, I have been networking, trying to get me some jobs lined up or at least some interviews. And so I have several interviews coming up within the next month, and I'm very excited about that, especially considering that now I'm nationally board certified. It just feels wonderful. Um, I was at a rotation in a county hospital in Chicago, and like some of the residents and nurse on staff found out that I had passed boards, and so they were like, "Oh, she's officially a doctor now," and I felt wonderful. It was the best feeling in the world. I'm like, "Yay!" So yeah, I'm looking forward to all the other wonderful success stories that will come in the next couple of weeks. And by the way, countdown, 84 days till graduation. So yeah, thank you guys so much for your encouragement, for your support, for your love. Let me know if you have any questions. I am free to answer them because no more studying for this girl except for the day of or day before an exam because all I have left is midterms and finals. And I only have one more of each. Great feeling. So anyway, until next time, peace, love, and dentistry.